Hey there, kindergartners. Happy Earth Day. Today for math, I thought it would be fun if we told some number stories that celebrate the Earth and the wonderful world that we live in. Today our target is I can use objects or pictures to show a problem. So here's my story for you. Okay, now listen carefully. Remember that it's a number story, so be listening for those numbers. Okay, during spring break, I planted a garden. On the first day, I planted 6 peas in my garden. On the next day, I planted 3 more peas in my garden. How many peas did I plant all together? What kind of strategies could we use to figure out the solution to our problem? What's the answer? Well, let's see. I could use my fingers to count. Or I could use counters like maybe small objects like pennies or erasers or pencils or crayons. I could pull those out and that can help me figure out the answer to my problem. Or maybe I would use the number line and I would count up from there. Or I could use my count on in my head strategy. Or I could draw pictures to help me figure out the answer to this problem. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to draw some pictures that represent our number story. So let's see. In our number story, do you remember how many peas I planted on the first day? That's right. I planted 6 peas. So let's see. I'm going to draw. This is my little planter box. Okay. The first day I planted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 peas. The next day, I came in and I planted how many more peas? Right, 3 more. So I planted 1, 2, 3 more peas. How many did I plant all together? What we're going to do now is we're going to write this number story as a number sentence or an equation. So I know that I have 6 peas here. Did I add or did I take away from the peas that I planted? I added. So what symbol am I going to use? The plus symbol. Plus 3. What kind of symbol am I going to use here? I'm going to put an equal sign because I'm trying to figure out what's the answer to my problem, my number story. 3 plus 6 plus 3 equals, let's see, we could use our number line. 1, 2, 3. What's our answer? 9. Great job. We figured out the answer to our problem. All right, so let's try another one. Let's say there was a recycling bin. Now, in this recycling bin, let's see if I can draw a recycling bin. Okay, that's a recycling bin in case you couldn't figure it out. Okay, in this recycling bin, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cans. Someone came in and put 5 more cans in the recycling bin. So now someone came and added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cans are in the recycling bin now? Ooh, tricky question. How would we write this as a number sentence or an equation? We started with how many? We started with 7 cans. And then did we add or did we take away? We added. So we add with the plus symbol, how many more? 5, right. So 7 plus 5 is equal to Maybe this time we can count on from 7 using our number grid. So let's see, here's 7. Let's count on 5. Ready? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is the answer to our problem. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Great job. All right, one more story, okay? I went to the grocery store and I have 5 reusable grocery bags. I did my shopping and I filled 2 grocery bags. How many grocery bags are left empty? Ooh, this is a little tricky one. Okay, so I went to the grocery store with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grocery bags. Then I filled 2 of them. How many bags are left empty? This one's a little bit trickier, isn't it? Because I started with 5 grocery bags. And then did I add grocery bags or did I take away grocery bags? Well, I filled 2 of them. So I think I want to know how many are left. I'm going to take away 2 bags. How many bags do I have left? I could just count them. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 grocery bags left. Great job. You guys are great at number stories and writing number sentences or equations. All right, here's the last thing for you. I want you to get your whiteboard out or a piece of paper. You could do it on a piece of paper. I'm going to give you a number sentence and a story, and I want you to write it on your paper or whiteboard. There were 6 birds sitting on the grass. 3 of them flew away. How many are left? Can you write this number sentence and the answer to the story problem? And also draw me a picture that represents this number story.